What's up, guys? Today I am doing this cute little ombre manicure. I'm using Madam Glam's newest gel polish collection, School of Glam. The first shade is Rockin' It. It's a beautiful silver glitter with all the iridescent colors in it. The second shade is Cat's Pajamas, and it's a pastel purple with hues of gray. Next up is Old School, and it's this very pale pastel pink that also has hues of gray. And lastly, we have Nice Instrument, which is a mauve purple. Check out the full collection at madamglam.com and also use my code LOVEJMarie30 to receive 30% off your entire purchase. And all information will be in the description box down below. Now let's move on to this mani and enjoy. Guys, I am in love with this ombre manicure. These shades are beautiful. They're like a purple, gray, I don't know, but it all ties in so well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a like and also comment down below. Let me know what you think about this look. And If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would love you to join my fam. Until next time, peace.